we'll guide you through how to create Printful templates. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printful website. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard and click on the Templates section located on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see an option to create a template. Click on that. Now, select the type of product you want to design for, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs. Once you've chosen your product, you'll be taken to the design interface. This is where the magic happens. You can upload your own design files by clicking the Upload button or use Printful's design tools to create something fresh. Make sure your design fits within the print area by adjusting its size and position. If you're designing apparel, remember to check both the front and back views to ensure everything lines up perfectly. After you're happy with your design, click Save Template. This saves your work and allows you to easily apply this design to future products. If you want to make any adjustments later, you can always go back to your templates and edit them. It's that simple. Creating templates can save you a lot of time if you're planning to use the same design across multiple products. So, get creative and streamline your design process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.